Hi, my name is Solomon. Welcome to this channel. So, let's move straight right away. I'm gonna proceed to the next phase. Last week I talked about several areas of Python. Just the type of programming languages. Then we talk about high level, which we were able to understand that okay, Python is an high level language, right? In the class of Java and the class of other programming language. So one thing I want to say is that Python is a general programming language for you can use it for so many things like that. So in this course, we are going to understand the fundamentals of Python programming language, and we're going to learn how to build command line based softwares, standalone softwares like GUI softwares. There are also database driven software applications that you have some functionalities like CRUD operations like create, read, update, and delete. These are functionalities we are going to incorporate into our applications, GUI applications. Then we're also going to build web-based software using backend programs like Flask and Django, then HTML and CSS, JavaScript for the front end. Okay, so let's move on now. So these are some of the software development cycle. Of course, let's narrow it down to Python. Now, the Python programming language is a general programming language, as I've said. It is used in different areas in design, like the design of software, development of softwares, and also in game development, web development, application development, data visualization, data analytics, artificial intelligence, such as machine learning and ethical hacking. So you can use Python for general applications, whether it's web-based or non-web-based. You can use Python for it. Okay. Then there are requirements to learn Python. First of all, you just have to be passionate about it. Then you have to understand basic computing. If you understand other programming language, fine. But if not, I'm going to break it down to a beginner level so that you understand it. So let me move straight to the installation. I'll move straight to the installation right now. So how do we install Python? So I will take that in the next video. So thank you.